E-waste is a byproduct of people not respecting the fact that the waste is not a waste, it's next generation resource. So the impact actually on the environment means that we have to mine more rare earth and virgin material for products that have already been made.
But there are also some notes of caution with things like recycling and remanufacturing. And it's really important for us to use things like external verification to make sure that we've done checks to make sure that it is socially and environmentally sustainable.
So we chose circular computing as the supplier for the hardware access scheme out of a number of suppliers we could have chosen, but ultimately the reason we went with them was that they were Kitemarked BSI standard for their process, and that reassurance of that.
There is nothing to visually distinguish a remanufactured laptop from new, and we have found the same to be true of the reliability and performance. Hearing about and seeing circular computing's credentials for equal or better than new quality standards for all of their devices has been key to selecting working with them.
So all of those concerns that we might have had about the fact that it was remanufactured, would it stand up to a new model? Well, actually that certification gives us some assurances around the fact that not only will it perform as well as a new model, in some instances it will outperform a new model.
This gives us confidence that the product we will receive will be a quality product and enable our employees to deliver their work by providing a reliable, credible and crucial piece of equipment. Investing in remanufactured laptops, we not only led the industry by example, but also we make a significant contribution to our UN Sustainable Development Goals. We are looking forward to a long-term and productive collaboration.
In years from now, new may ultimately mean remanufactured, with no distinction between those two terms.
So I see the remanufacturing and reconditioning industry being the centre of industry, and then the consumption of new only coming to the mind when the requirement can't be met by the remanufacturing industry.
We're raising awareness about this problem, which most organisations probably won't have given much thought to, but it is a simple area where you can reduce your footprint, and if more companies do that and get over this hurdle of thinking, oh, it's a second-hand device, it won't work very well. Once they realise that there are accreditations in place and there are checks and balances done to make sure that they do work, we can get past some of those barriers and head to a more sustainable world.